Welcome to my channel, Car Projects. How are you? Today we're going to change these hood lift supports in an '05 Toyota Prius. It's pretty much the same on any car, uh, you know, but you have to look it up. The reason I'm changing it is because of this, and it falls, and it sucks because it landed on my head and it landed on my kid's head, and I barely found out about it. Anyway, excuse the mess. I'm doing this one man, but you will need to buy the new ones. On this case, these are the ones. Okay. Now, pretty simple is you go here. There's like a little hook, and you're gonna press on it. You know what? I think I need a smaller screwdriver. Hold on. All right, I'm back. So it's better if you have two people, so that one person holds this up. I'm holding it with my back, but it's kind of uncomfortable. But you basically gonna go here, and you're gonna press and pry the little clip. I'm not able to do this by myself. I'll do the top. So right here, you insert, and there we go. You see one. Oh, I think this has a phone. Oh, look at that. Looks better already. So that comes off, and then you just pull on this and it'll come off, but you're gonna need somebody to hold this in place. Once you do, it's gonna get heavy, but you grab the other screw, just push it out, and it came off. But oh god, it got super heavy. Okay, now the new ones. So one of the reasons I keep cutting off is because I am by myself. Now one thing that you'll notice is that on this one, this is facing this way and this is facing the other way. That's an easy fix. All you gotta do is grab it really hard and turn it lightly until they're facing opposite to each other, more or less. Go ahead and open this side. And really the changing the first one will be the hardest one, because if you both of them are out, then the whole door weight is going to be on you. So make sure that you got help. You know, have a kid, somebody, your wife, somebody help you when you're changing this. And it came off. Okay, so you will put the new one the same way, that one there. Okay, and you want to lock it. Use the fatter one to push it in place. Okay. And put the new one in. You might have to compress this a little bit. So hard to do this one. There we go. So when I lift it all the way up, it actually went in there. Oh. Okay, and then you can just push that with your hand, and voila, that's the first side. Now that's how you would change one side. Once you got one side down, the other side should be a lot easier. Again, be very careful and have somebody who'll help you. But go ahead and take off the clip there, and take off the clip here. Some people use a knife. Whatever the hell. Oh, that one flew away. again, remember, if you take it out, it come off. Do the same up there. Now when you loosen this, you gotta make sure that the little clip doesn't interrupt there. So go ahead and put it in there. It went in. Now we lift out this to its highest position. And that's it. And then now the door doesn't fall off. Now you just press it with your fingers. This one, your finger might not fit in, so use the little pin. I actually fit it. On this one, your finger might not fit in. Go ahead and it's a screwdriver to push it in place. There we go. And that's it. You go ahead and you test it. And voila, it's fixed. And it's not going to fall on nobody's head anymore. And that is how you change the hood lift support or trunk lift supports. Now some of them have what do they call this? Some of them have sometimes they have a glass one, so but it essentially is the same. In some cases you will need to change this right here. Okay, they come like that, so then you would just loosen this up. In this case it didn't. You can just change this and here, depending on the vehicle, but essentially it's the same on any vehicle. But yes. Now real quick, how do you know they're not good? Well, if we look at them, it seems like some kind of what do you call this, oil came off. And that is because the seal in here it broke, so that's why they're not holding in place. Now you might not be able to push them all the way in, or you might, like right now, see, but they barely come out. Let me get you. The other one doesn't have like anything fell off, so one of them was broken actually, which was that one. But because this thing weighs so much, it needed both of them to be working 100%. Anyways, just want to say thank you. Please subscribe, and I hope this helped a lot of people.